you lovely people out there. How are you all doing this beautiful day? I'm Eshna and I welcome you back to my channel. I'm back with another haul cum fragrance video, but this time it's very different from what I have tried till now. I'm going to talk about attars, ittar, whatever you want to call it out. These are basically pure fragrances without alcohol, so these are very good for your skin. And I'll be talking about a couple of attars that I have grabbed onto, and these are being made in India. I'm kind of interested in trying these out because attars are something those were used long back by our older generations, and it has kind of still huge when people who use it, but it has kind of died down with our generation and the generation after. But I wanted to try my hands on to see what the hype used to be about, and I'll give you my thoughts and feelings, the initial ones, because this is kind of a haul. I have 4 attars to talk about, so my initial thoughts on it I'll share and hope you will enjoy. I have 4 attars from the brand called Menjewell, and it's a quite renowned brand as far as I could see and do my research. I found out. So if you want to know a bit about ittar and all, then please keep on watching. But before we get started, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel and ring the bell icon next to it so that you are notified for all my future uploads. Now let's cut this intro short and dive in. So I have 2 boxes from Menjewell. One is coming out. Sorry. So I'll show everything in detail. This is how the cardboard boxes look like. They have a beautiful shape. It's not straight, it's a rhombus. It's not a rhombus, but then it's kind of a different shape. It's like 2 burfis are fused together and kept in continuity. That is the kind of shape that is there for these boxes of Menjewell pure perfumes. They have also mentioned that this is premium quality pure perfume. I have opened both of them to take a sniff of it and understand how or what I liked and all. So it's kind of still a first impression. I'm not opening this in front of you, but initial thoughts. So this is the cardboard box where the perfume was housed, and it came super protected. So next you have this packaging where the fragrances are there. And once I take this out, this entire thing is wrapped in a bubble wrap, a very thin piece of bubble wrap. Sorry, I didn't smell these 2. I will talk about this after. Let me show you the ones that I have already opened and sniffed. So like that, this one also was housed in this plastic cellophane type of a thing, and then you had these bubble wrap to hold this in place. Then you have this plastic where these attars are stored. These are glass bottles, and initially when I received these had such stoppers on top. If you can see, these stoppers were there to prevent the spillage. So I'm extremely happy with how the packaging came. It's super protected because these are all glass bottles, so they need to be protected. So I have 5 ml of each, and these are concentrated perfumes in glass bottles, and they smell heavenly. Trust me when I say heavenly. I have smelled both of them and I love. I'll show you the other ones. Those are bigger than this one. These are 5 mls. And I have replaced the top lid with the roller ball, and this is the roller ball. So the first one that I have for you is Menjewell Attar Jasmine. This is how this looks like. The name is written right here. It's a beautiful yellow colored liquid. I'll just roll it up here. See, I have always mentioned that I hate roll-ons, but to use attar, you need to use roll-on, and the roll-on in these are very good. They don't spill after usage. I have taken just a tiny bit here, and what I'll do is, like for perfumes, you're not supposed to crush the notes of the fragrance by rubbing the wrists, but for attar, you're supposed to take it and place it on your wrists and maybe blend it out like this. Oh my god, it's beautiful, it's soft, it's subtle, it doesn't project supremely, but people only close to you, they will be able to sniff it. These are unoffensive, not the traditional idea that we have for others. I mean, when I was younger and I saw my grandparents used to wear attars and all, I used to feel, oh my god, they're using it on their pulse points, how disgusting. That was me, the immature me who didn't understand anything about fragrances back then. Trust me, that is the way to use an attar. It's not cheap in any way. It feels wonderful. It smells beautiful, very light, very soft, very subtle, very unoffensive. People around you won't be irritated by this kind of smell. This is the jasmine one. Surprisingly, I love jasmine. You all know that who watch my videos. I am always in love with white florals and all. But I love champa more. The other one is champa yellow. This is how the other bottle looks like. I love this one a bit more. This fragrance is awesome. I have already applied it here. Let me apply it here. Again, a roll on. I'll just apply a bit. This is beautiful. I mean, this has a sweet, minty, fresh type of feeling as well, though mint is not there, I'm very much sure. No, it's not there, sorry. It's a beautiful, soft, floral fragrance. This champa and jasmine, if you layer them, it will be a bit difficult because attars are not meant for layering. The way to use attar is also quite different than perfumes. For perfumes, you have to spray at the pulse point. For attar, you can take a bit of drops in your pulse points or in your hand, just warm it up, and then you place it at the back of your neck and maybe close to your pulse points here and on the elbows, and here you place it with your hand and you will be good to go. If you're a man, you can wear it on your chest as well, and you will smell very nice. You will smell yourself very nice, and others will smell on you as well, and in the most inoffensive way possible. These are not overpowering attars. These are strong. Trust me, from the moment I got the box, I just had cut it and I could smell it. I didn't even take it out of this pouch and I could smell it. It is that strong, but it's not strong in that way. It will give me a headache and I will not enjoy it, or I will get irritated out of it. It's beautiful. Jasmine, the champa here, in Bengali we call it champa. It's beautiful. So love these two. The price point for this set when I got these two 5 ml of attars was rupees 499, which means 500 rupees. But I got it at a 10% discount or something. I guess it was rupees 399 that I got, and I am delighted at these two attars. I didn't ever imagine that I will ever film a video for attar, but I'm supremely happy with these two. Before I move on to the second one, let me start opening it and I can talk about attars a bit. Attars, when it compares, if you compare it to perfumes, actually, they are safer on skin because they are 100% free of alcohol. So they are natural and in no way are they harmful for your skin. So it's not only that you're doing something good for your skin and smelling good, but also get the amazing royal feeling of applying attar as well. So if you are interested in attar, or if you are like me, you are interested in fragrance in general and you want to branch out your liking in the world of fragrance, I would say give attars a try. Okay, the next one is another set that I got. This is the set of Rain Mitti. So I'm assuming this will be a musky one, and this is a lavender one. So again, another floral. This one didn't have any stopper. This came, I guess, only with yes, it has already the roll on. So where shall I roll it? Maybe on my fingers. So this is the Rain Mitti one. Wow, it's such a refreshing sweet smell. My god, I never thought it is the earthy musky smell of earth after rain. Oh my god, they have actually captured that. It is so beautiful. I hardly imagined this would be that great. I was taking a risk with this one because lavender, I know I like the scent itself. I have lavender diffuser in my home. I love lavender I love lavender candles, so I know what lavender smells like. But rain mitti, I was wondering how are they going to do that. It's beautiful. It's earthy, musky. Not my favorite combination, but I am liking this. Okay, the next one is lavender. Lavender one looks like this. It has a lavender flower on top against the Menjewel logo and everything. Let's sniff and see how this one fares. Okay, sadly I'm not loving the lavender one. This is very surprising. I love the calming lavender scent, and that's why I thought this would be my safe purchase. On the other hand, I am supremely surprised and happy with Rain Mitti. I didn't think that I will like this so much, but this is really something I like, which is the Rain Mitti one. The lavender one is not bad. I will not say it's bad and it's a regret purchase. I can definitely use it, but the way I am used to smelling lavender, this is a bit stronger than that. Yeah, and that is probably why maybe I'm not enjoying it as I'm used to enjoying lavender. Yeah, this is slightly stronger than the kind of lavender I'm used to. Otherwise, this is not a bad thing. But definitely, I will try to finish it off. Of course, I bought it with my money. And it's not a regret purchase that I will struggle finishing it off. Lavender is always a calming one. So, since these are free of alcohol, I can even take a few drops of these and apply it on my pulse points close to my nose so that it helps me calm down and sleep at night as well. I'm thinking, I have no idea how it will fare on my pulse points at night, or whether I would actually do that or not, but I might do it. So that's why I thought of sharing this, because I will have to find a way to use the lavender variant. I love the Rain Mitti. I love the jasmine. The champa was the best one. No, this is the champa. This is beautiful. Jasmine is, wow. After some time, it has so much mellowed down. It's so beautiful. And the Rain Mitti is a surprise. I loved 3 of them. The 4th one is kind of a shocker because I know lavender and how it smells, and I will enjoy it. However, it seems that the other variant is not for me, probably for the lavender one. But I loved all of these in my first impression at least. But what I want to share with you for Attar is, if you are wearing Attar, don't expect a supreme level of projection. Attar, since it's not having alcohol in it, so it's not meant to project for a longer space. Okay, so if you are expecting that an Attar will perform like an EDP, it will not, because the components are different. EDP has alcohol in it. EDT and every other variant of course has got alcohol in it, which helps in diffusing it for larger spaces, and the projection gets stronger. This is not the case for an Attar. It has got no alcohol, so the projection is not supreme, but it leaves a trail. So if you are wearing Attar and you move around, people will be able to sniff the fragrance of you. If they come close to you, you hug somebody, they will definitely sniff it and they will enjoy it, because these at least are not offensive in any way. People who enjoy fragrances in general, they will be enjoying these as well. That's what I felt from the first impression. So let me talk about the price point for the other two. The lavender and the Rain Mitti one has 9 ml of products. That is what is written on the packaging as well. So this 9 ml set retails for rupees 599, and I got it at rupees 479, about 20% off or something. So I'm very happy with the Rain Mitti one, okay with the lavender one. I'm not negating it, after all it's lavender, it's okay. I will be finding a use of this and will definitely use it up. But I'm delighted with the champa yellow and the jasmine Attar. I love these two. I want to again try out other attars that are there from the house of Menjewell. I have seen cocoa, vanilla and all. I wanted to try those as well, but then I thought, let me first try these. Let me get an idea how they function on my body, whether I enjoy attars or not. If I do, I can always reach out for more as I want. Menjewell is a Maharashtrian brand. It's based out of Maharashtra, so it makes me feel great as well. That's an Indian product that I'm talking about today. So hashtag vocal for local here as well. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give this video a like, share it with your friends, comment in the comment section and let me know what which fragrance, which attar did you like in this video. If you have used attars, what are your experiences? If you want to buy attar, which one you want to, and if you want to check these out, I'll leave the links of these in the description box below. You can check it out as well, and in case you want to buy. And before you leave, take a moment to subscribe to my channel and ring the bell icon next to it so that you're notified for all my future uploads. And also follow me on my social media. All the details are there in the description box below and at the end of the video, so make sure you check those out. And I'll see you in my next video. Till then, stay happy, stay healthy. Bye.